But now that I got your address, if we go there, we'll be on your doorstep, Ricky.
Welcome back to InTheStreetzTV, and today we're gonna be talking about 50 Cent. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe with post notifications turned on. So it looks like 50 Cent is having the worst luck of his life. 50 Cent, real name Curtis Jackson, just lost $32 million in a lawsuit battle. According to reports, 50 Cent has been racking up a lot of legal victories as of late, but the G-Unit mogul has just suffered a rare legal setback. According to Reuters, the $32 million legal malpractice lawsuit that the rapper real name Curtis Jackson brought against his former attorneys at Reed Smith and the lead legal counsel Peter Raymond, who is no longer with the firm, cannot be rebrought, and a bankruptcy judge's previous ruling to toss the case must stand. That's the ruling that was handed down by the U.S. District Judge Vanessa Bryant on Friday, June 30th, who made the ruling in New Haven, Connecticut. Now, a lot of y'all may not be caught up or in tune on what's going on. This whole situation started when 50 Cent released one of Rick Ross' baby mother's tape. Now, this whole situation started around the time where 50 Cent and Rick Ross was going back and forth. Now, reports state he accused them of malpractice relating to the representation in a lawsuit brought by Rick Ross' baby mother, Lastonia Leviston. She accused him of leaking her tape online. A jury ordered 50 Cent to pay Leviston $7 million in damages. 50 Cent claimed that the lawyers at Reed Smith gave him an uninformed legal strategy, and they once represented Rick Ross, a one-time rival of Fifth's. This representation caused the G-Unit founder to reportedly suffer a legal setback in the form of a judgment for $7 million. But Judge Bryant dismissed the claim because Fifth couldn't be more specific as to how these conflicts led to this $7 million judgment against him. So it looks like this is one battle that 50 Cent has lost. A $32 million lawsuit. Now, I'm not saying he lost $32 million of his own money, but he lost $32 million in a lawsuit. Basically, he wanted to receive $32 million for the slow people in the comment section. But let's keep going. So the article continues by saying, without more, the court cannot conclude the conflict of interest impact counsel's discovery strategy or the conflict caused Jackson to lose at trial, Bryant said. 3 days after the $7 million judgment was rendered against him, 50 Cent filed for bankruptcy. After the Chapter 11 ruling, Reed Smith filed a claim for over $600,000 in legal fees, which prompted the malpractice lawsuit from Fifth.
This morning I heard an interview that Rick Ross called in, had an interview, but what was interesting is she asked him like where it came from or like what he said.
We got Rick Ross on the line. What's up, Ross?
What's up, dude?
Came out of the clear blue sky to me. I didn't know what he was talking about when I heard it. And then what he said was so whack that I didn't even know if the meant it or he was like, you know what I mean, some sideways. So anyway, she asked him where it came from, and he said from the BET Awards. Now, I ain't never had a conversation with I don't know these. I know your name, I seen your video. Other than that, we ain't got no business together. We ain't got no reason to even be talking to each other, right? So I think that it's an opportunity to create energy or like a excitement for the actual release of their record. And I understand that it may be more attention than you usually get, but it'll be the kind of attention that when it goes away, you go away completely. Like there's nothing else left for you to complete it. Done. And your company, the system might actually feel like it's a good idea for the moment until they realize that I won't stop. There's nobody in control of me. Like I do what I want to do. So I'm deciding to f your life up. Rick, bro, I'm gonna f your life up. For fun. There's a few times. It's not new. I do this all the time. I had a list of fucked up. You know what I mean? Because I know I can already see from here, from where I'm at, this fraud. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not even no issue. But I paid for the transcripts to your court case. Just in case, I really didn't want to know the court, that actual family court. I really wanted your address. You see me at the BET Award, you see me by myself. Everybody at the BET Award saw me. I don't even remember seeing this. The illest shit. I don't even remember, like, in passing. Like, you so unimportant that I don't even remember walking past or anything. Crazy, you know what I'm saying? But now I know you. I know so much new information about you that I think it's fair to say I know you now. And everybody else will know you. Real soon. You get a chance to see some interesting. I know your name was Teflon. I know you was sleeping on Great Street couch, trying to get a deal at Swap House. I just know you're a bum, like bum. You know what I mean? So you're gonna really understand how resourceful I am. You know, and you're gonna see what happens when someone comes from the environment and absorbs all of the new information. I'm going to Venezuela today, and when I get back, I'm gonna finish. I got a few songs that I gotta mix. I'm in the studio with M and Dr. Dre right now, and when I'm done with that, I'm gonna continue your life up. And Cal till he's a suckers. I see him at the BET Award. That's funny. Like, I remember seeing Khaled, but I don't remember seeing Rick Ross at all. I mean, he gave me a pass. Well, don't give me no pass, man. I don't deserve passes. Okay, you should do something to me. You understand what I'm saying? Just send mixed messages. You know? But now that I got your address, if we go there, we'll be on your doorstep, Ricky. And we can make it, the way it's supposed to be. Like, look, I know you know Noriega. The real Noriega. Oh, he's friends outside. You hit him? There they go. Oh, man. Ricky's crew. He said he got a $2 million crew in New York City. He was talking about the NYPD.
I got a $2 million team in New York.
That's who you was talking about when you said you got a $2 million crew in New York City? Because I don't know them out here. You know? You was doing good. You had E-Class around you. You done lost that. Now what you got? Me, after you get rid of it, you could actually have tried to help you in this situation?
So now that y'all seen that and heard that, stroll down to that comment section. Tell me what y'all think about this crazy situation. It just seems like 50 Cent and Rick Ross would never end they beef. I mean, 50 Cent took a $7 million loss, and now he took a $32 million loss. After that, listen, we beefing forever, so I understand 50 Cent. But it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think down below in that comment section. Don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe with post notifications turned on.